Now guys, in this lecture we are going to see meta characters for command separator. So as you can see that the semicolon are used as a meta character that would separate the actual input and the command that you are trying to inject. So along with the semicolon, there are several other meta characters that can be used to inject the data command or inject the command actually. So developer may set filters to block the semicolon meta character. So this will simply block our injected data, and therefore we need to experiment with other meta characters. Okay, so that is why I'm making this lecture or this video for you all. So first one in our list is symbol, and then we are having uses. So first is semicolon. So semicolon is the most common meta character used to test an injected flaw, and the cell would run all the commands in sequence separated by the semicolon. So in most of the cases we will be using semicolon to terminate it, or terminate it, like in case of SQL we will be using semicolon or hash symbol. Okay, then we are having this double ampersand, which is also called as AND operator. So this double ampersand would run the command to the right of the meta character only if the command to the left execute successfully. That simply means that suppose, okay, let me show you how. Suppose that you are having condition if, okay, so if you are using this AND, so this simply means that if this condition is true, or if this condition is true, then the control will go inside the body of if or else if, any condition actually. Okay, so this is the mean of ampersand, or we can say double ampersand. Okay, so let me erase this. Okay, then we are having this OR, pipeline meta character. Okay, then we are having this OR, this thing, this OR. So it is also called as double pipe meta character, is directly opposite to the double ampersand, and it would run the command on the right side only if the command on the left side fail. So as you can see that this is the thing. Suppose that if this condition is true and this condition is false, so but it will run it because this is means or means either it should be true or this one. Okay, so then it will run. Then we are having this what you can say parenthesis character operator. So using this grouping meta character, you can combine the output of the multiple commands and store it inside the file. Okay, so then we are having this unquoting meta character. So this is used to for the cell to interpret and run the commands between the backticks. Okay, so as you can see that, suppose this is the string, this is the string, so this will simply, it will just force the cell to interpret and run the commands between the backticks. Okay, this is basically a string because it is having double quotes, but this will force to run this particular command. Then we are having this character, which is also called as the operand, which is, I think this one is less than, okay, greater than operand. So this character would append the output of the command on the left of the file named on the right of the character. Okay, then we are having this single pipe will be used to output the command on the left side as the input to the command satisfied on the right side. So these are all meta characters that you should take care of, because in the process of injecting data you'll be using these very frequently. So this is all for this lecture guys. Thank you for watching this lecture.